Tango, Uniform, Sierra, Lima. Alpha Tower right closed traffic approved. Runway 19 right at Foxtrot, intersection departure for takeoff.
Right closed traffic approved, cleared for takeoff 19 right. Taxi to the right, out onto the runway. And give it full power. Having second thoughts? Take off whenever you're ready. Great. Now pitch to 160 miles per hour, which is the best climb speed for this airplane. To 2,624 feet.
नीचे आती ही 1000 फुट पे
बताया ही नहीं आगे क्या करना है.
Now we'll start a roll back to the airport. Turn left to 100 degrees. Good. Keep. We are going to turn again, and back to airport, but first reach pattern altitude. Reach 2,309 feet.
अच्छा यहीं से उतराना शुरू कर देते हैं.
To reach pattern altitude, pause for just a moment, then turn downwind. Go ahead, and turn left to 240 degrees.
कितना मुड़वाते हैं जहाज़ को ये.
When you reach the airport, your goal is to fly a ground track parallel to the runway. Downwind is a good time to do the pre-landing checks. Belts are tight, mixture is rich, fuel pump is on, landing gear is down and welded. Okay, you're abeam the touchdown zone, so start descending. Pull the